All right, if you want to complete your school projects faster and smarter using Gamma AI, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, go to Gamma and sign up with your email. Yeah, once you log in, you're ready to start. Next, click Create New and choose what you need, a presentation, document, or report. Now type your school project topic. For example, climate change, solar system, or history of Bangladesh. Click Generate, and Gamma will create structured content for your project. Yeah, it saves you a lot of time. Now, review your content and make changes. Fix any mistakes, add details, and simplify explanations if needed. To make your project better, add images, diagrams, or examples. Yeah, this makes your work more interesting. Make sure your project has a clear structure, introduction, main points, and conclusion. Finally, export your project as a PDF or present it directly from Gamma. And yeah, that's how you can use Gamma AI for school projects. It makes your work faster, easier, and more professional.